Hi, Timothy Unkert here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to format code using Emacs and then Vim, all from within Emacs. Okay, so I've SSHFS'd into my website, timunkert.com, where I'm keeping all my links to my YouTube videos and starting to put up some blogs and so on and so forth. Please check it out, shameless plug. Anyways, so I'm on the back end and I want to go to my index.html here, and let's get in there and let's go down here, and we'll go down here. I'll go to the end here, and under here, that's my favorite sites. Let's go back down further. Under Emacs tutorials, let's go to my latest technology tutorials. And let's just go back here and let's create a link item, and let's make a or list item. Let's make a link. Okay, I'll paste in this link to this latest video I have. I'm going to say target equals underscore blank, so it opens up in a different window. And then this video was about using Vim with Control OZZ. So I'm just going to put Vim Control OZZ. Check that out if you haven't. So I'm going to close out that and then close out the list item. Okay, so now if I go down, you'll see that that code isn't really indented that well. And actually, this isn't really indented that well. I want to change it to 2 spaces, which is the default on Emacs for HTML. So 2 spaces of indenting. And I want to make sure this whole document is indented. So the Emacs way to do it is to do Control-X-H, and that highlights the entire document. And then you're going to do Alt-Control and then the slash under the backspace. So that would be the backslash, okay? I think it's backslash. Okay, so Alt Control and then the slash under the backspace above the Enter key. So Alt Control and that button, and it indents the region, and it's done. Okay, awesome. All right, so that's the Emacs way of doing it. Now, I mentioned we're going to do the Vim way of doing it from within Emacs. And how am I going to do that? Well, I'm going to do that by switching to evil mode. But first, let me undo this. I'm going to do Control-X-U and get back to the previous indentation. And now what I'm going to do is just Alt-X to turn on evil mode, which is the Emacs, or the Vim key bindings rather. And to format this entire document, I'm going to type GG. GG brings you to the top. You want to make sure you're in normal mode too. And you'll see I'm in normal mode because the cursor here is a block. Now, if I went to insert mode, it would be a beam, okay? But I'm going to hit escape. I'm going to go to normal mode, and I'm going to type GG. GG sends you to the top of the document. Then you type equals, which formats a region of code in Vim, and then capital G brings you to the bottom of the document. So, and I'm all going to do that in one motion. GG equals G, okay? And bam, you have formatted your code. So GG equals G is the Vim way of doing it. It'll work the same exact way in Vim because the evil key bindings in Emacs are Vim key bindings. And then the way you do it in Emacs is you do Control-X-H again to highlight the area, and then Alt-Control backslash. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, could you give it a like, as it'll help get out to more people. I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day.